So here we are out again with the Eachine E150. We've only just filmed the maiden flight and Al was flying, who's now on camera, and he's convinced me to have a go. I've got a fair bit of fixed pitch heli flight experience, variable pitch on simulators, so I think I know how to do it. I have had a bit of a go of previous Eachine variable pitch helicopters. I've never been successful. I've tended to crash them, only telling that Al now. But I'm going to give this one a go. It looks really nice and stable, and see how I get on. Of course, we're using the Radiomaster TX16S. This is our preferred radio, brilliant radio that costs a fraction of the price of the competition. So we'll put a link for this as well. So I just have to flick the kill switch that you've set up, and then we're away. Very gentle on the left stick.
Oh, you've done this before, Dom.
No, it's not the helicopter. It's nice. It is very sensitive on the left stick.
Well, we can dial that out for the next one and just tone it down a bit. That's just the starting settings.
Nice though.
Smooth, isn't it?
You feel like you're driving a precision instrument. It's doing what I tell it to. But it is quite small, so I feel as if I let it go too far, and I could do that easily, I'm going to lose orientation. Will not be able to see it. But it is kind of limiting my bank angle and everything like that out. So I can't do anything too dangerous. That was all right.
That was brilliant for the first time. When was the last time you flew a heli?
Oh, long time ago. So there you go, Eachine E150. If I can fly it, you can definitely fly it. Because I'm normally terrible at these types of things. It's kind of, I really would like to learn how to use negative pitch and to do inverted. But I need to do that a lot more in a simulator, I think, because you only have to get that wrong once and you're going to put it into the ground and need a crash kit. But yeah, okay, thanks Al for letting me have a go of your new toy. So the link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if you'd like to look it up for the price from our friends at banggood.com. If you like our flight test, then please give us a thumbs up. It really does mean a lot if you do that. Leave a comment, feedback is appreciated. But overall, if you'd like what we do, then please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. Thanks to Al on camera, as always, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. There we go. It's nice though.
Smooth, isn't it?
You feel like you're driving a precision instrument. It's doing what I tell it to. But it is quite small, so I feel as if I let it go too far, and I could do that easily, I'm going to lose orientation. Will not be